के धागे हैं, हर पे बांधे हैं, है कागजी दिल आज भी। ओ
बादशाह।
गोविंदा, बॉलीवुड, कथक, folk.
Gangnam Style, so...
No.
Oh, no.
Opera.
अरे वाह।
Fear, panic at the disco.
Hi, this is Sana Farzeen and welcome to India Today, and we are going to have a musical conversation with the team of Bandish Bandits. Firstly, we want the camera to focus on Divya's sari. She's taken a lot of efforts to dress up in theme. Yes, but do you guys have a ritual like to start a day with your alaps or anything?
Depends. When I'm acting, I definitely have some rituals before the first shot. Or if I've damaged my voice by partying too much, then I make sure that at least I have a voice for anything in the next day, which I was doing just before we started rolling, as you know.
Yeah.
As a director, I don't have much of a ritual. The only ritual that we do always, before we start shooting, we always, what's called a Ganpati roll. In the sense that we roll the camera first for an image of Ganpati. I say a little prayer for all of us. We light a few agarbattis. And then together we start shooting because हमको बचपन में हमेशा सिखाया जाता है कि सबसे पहले गणपति का नाम लिया जाता है तो वही ethos हम हमारे सेट पे ले आते हैं.
Amazing. Anything, actors, what are your rituals like before you start shoot?
क्या रिचुअल्स मतलब पहले तो जो अगर सुबह की शूट है तो उसके अलग रिचुअल्स होते हैं. नॉर्मल उठने का वक्त नहीं होता. पहले तो खुद को बताना होता आज रिचुअलिस्टिक डे है. तो वो करके ऑफ कोर्स to just memorize the things that you have to do, all that stuff happens, and I think she will know better, मतलब empathize more कि हमारे बाकी के rituals भी बहुत होते हैं कि आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा मल लो, आज ये वाले closes हैं, आज ये है, so all that happens. But yes, before the shot, I think I'm in a different zone when I'm shooting. तो वो rituals मैं उल्टा actually follow नहीं करती उसमें, so it doesn't happen.
I think, like ma'am said, if it's a morning shoot, if it's a night shoot, then the ritual is to sleep a lot so that you can sustain the night, and then to ice your face a lot so that you can look like you haven't been forced to sustain the night. But otherwise, depends on how taxing the day is going to be, how much it needs you to. I don't have a ritual as such. I always have good music to like keep me in the zone.
Amazing. Rohan?
I definitely have
Yes.
a ritual.
We all
Good
know
boy.
it, but
Yes.
let's spell it out.
Rohan has a ritual from the moment he opens his eyes, which is not immediately after he's woken up, apparently.
No, I just think that if I am in this profession, I want to keep things sharp, even if it's not on stage or in front of a camera. So that's something I took upon myself because maybe it comes from a place of being anxious or it comes from a place of being very passionate about it. I think it's a mix of both, but it makes me feel at home.
Yeah.
Where I can practice, because there's so many things about the craft that you can actually, when you sit down and write down what you're weak at, what you're strong at, you can work on those every day. And me personally, I like to maybe choose 2 things a day and then think, yeah, today I'm going to practice these 2 things, whether it's voice, whether it's movement, whether it's I did this workshop where it's so much about eye exercises. There's so many things that you can do. So I like to keep myself in that zone. Even
There is one ritual that he's not telling us about, which is something that he reminded me of my theatre days, and whenever I do theatre, it's called the third bell pressure.
Okay.
So as soon as the third bell goes, a lot of us, including me, feel like I should just go and pee first. And it only happens right at third bell, right before your entry. You feel like कि सुसु कर लेता हूँ. तो कई बार ऐसा होता था कि हम लोग शॉर्ट वॉर्ड लगा के सब रेडी होते थे सारे एक्टर और अचानक से रोहन गायब हो जाता था. Where is Rohan? He says, sir, he's gone for 10
बाथरूम में सो रहा है.
हमारे सेट के लैंग्वेज में सुसु आप नहीं कहते जोर से या वॉशरूम नहीं कहते because it might embarrass somebody. So you on walkie talkies and generally say sir 10-1. So 10-1. और जो दूसरा कार्यक्रम होता है उसे 10-2 कहते हैं।
Okay.
तो for
बट
everybody,
इसमें 1-2 तो ठीक है, 10 का क्या मतलब है?
हाँ जी
10 का क्या
बस
मतलब?
एक buffer number.
डिपेंड करता है एक्चुअली आप कितनी 10, 9 कितना जाना चाहते हैं।
And it's always 10 because if you're stopping shoot and you're going, then it has to be a 10.
स्ट्रेस लेवल
Has to be right there. Otherwise, hold it.
वो एक रिचुअल तो मैं
Yeah.
वाकिफ हूँ कि रोहन बिल्कुल करता है। पर वो हर एक्टर का अपना एक एजेंडा होता है। किसी को ठीक शॉट के पहले लगता है कि लास्ट टाइम में शीशा देख लूं, या किसी को लगता है कि मैं एक बार जिप चेक कर लूं यार मेरी तो बंदा ना, तो वो सबका अपना इट्स वेरी एंटरटेनिंग फॉर अ डायरेक्टर।
Amazing, amazing. And bathroom is reminding me that we all feel that we are bathroom singers. Rohan
But
and
we
Yash.
all are bathroom
Yes.
singers.
No, I mean not
all.
everyone will
Not
agree,
everyone.
especially people who live with us may not agree. But tell me, both of you, because you were joining the show and playing singers, like what was the kind of preparations that you guys did, and did you guys like make things easier for people on set with your voice?
In the bathroom, I would say I did practice my piano a lot.
Yeah, I think that's the best place.
Even if it's air piano or thinking of the song.
Yeah.
No, I think this shoot, you get so engrossed in the whole process of it all. I would just say I'm a drummer sometimes, so I practice like there's a double bass pedal. You can do in class. I used to do that a lot. Get in trouble a lot for that. But with piano, I would make sure I practice it all the time because so much of the initial process was just strengthening your fingers,
Yeah.
which is something you don't think about, So that was just always on my mind whenever I would either just be sitting and eating or maybe watching something or it's a constant process throughout
Yeah.
Bandish, I felt.
Yashashwini?
I thankfully, even to my own self, because I hate thinking that people can ever dislike me. So I'm glad that in this scenario I can actually sing, because I would love to sing so much, and if people did not enjoy it, it would kill me,
Yeah.
literally. I cannot deal with it. But yeah, so that wasn't the challenge as such, because I grew up singing decently enough. The challenge a little bit was being able to sing the way the character would sing,
Yeah.
and also being able to, there's also a difference when you're singing, you don't really care what kind of faces you're making. But then you're also playing a real singer, so you have to be authentic to the
Yeah.
weird faces you make. But then you also have to be conscious that there is a camera, and it is going to be chapoed for the rest of your life. So to strike a balance between
No,
that.
actually, what Yashaswini did, just to kind of carry on from what she's saying, was very, very tough, because if you are a singer, you've already committed to some unconscious, subconscious mannerisms in which you
Yeah.
sing. That becomes your style of singing.
Yeah.
But the way she sings as Soumya, the character, is completely different, and it's very important to the part, because she has, and giving you spoilers now, the character shuts her eyes because she's very scared of seeing people. She just concentrates on singing, and that's something that goes very well for her singing, but doesn't go very well for her performing part. Which the character struggles with and then comes to terms with or not,
Right.
is what we see the journey of that character. To do that while you already have your own sets of mannerisms and unlearn that and learn this, I think was a tougher job than what Ritvik and Shreya did, because they are not singers. So they could learn as blank canvases and fill in the colors that came
Yeah.
about for the character. So but she did it so fantastically.
Amazing. Divya, I think you must be having a very melodious voice. I don't know why, but I feel so.
Thank you.
She does.
Not
Ma'am,
singing
please,
though.
please serenade us right now.
You have to hear a gungunai.
Yes, we
She's-
will.
मैं
Later in the
मैं बताती
episode,
हूँ,
yes.
when I did Train to Pakistan, उससे बकायदा गाना गवाया गया था,
हाँ.
and the music director was standing, and his two sons, Kuldeep ji was there, and he was standing there, और उनके दो बेटे थे वहाँ पर, तो वो अपने साथ वो कॉटन बड्स लेकर आए थे, और एक ने ऐसे डाला, और एक ने ऐसे डाला, मतलब वो कर मेरी खिंचाई रहे थे, लेकिन जो मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस की उन्होंने धज्जियाँ उड़ाई उसमें, लेकिन सी आई थिंक वो जो एको होता है ना बाथरूम का, वहाँ मैं रानी हूँ.
Okay.
और वहाँ लगता है कि क्या सुर निकल रहे हैं, बट व्हेन आई कम आउट ऑफ दैट बाथरूम, तो once my brother was saying, do you want to go back to the bathroom and try this again? Because बाहर नहीं हो रहा है. But I feel honestly bathroom is the place to be.
Yeah.
आपके बेस्ट आइडियाज सुबह में जो है वो बाथरूम में आते हैं. आप गाना सबसे अच्छा बाथरूम में गाते हैं. आप शीशे में जब देखते हैं आप कहते हैं ये एक्सप्रेशन कर दूं कि ये कर दूं, तो आधा घंटा तो वही होता
आपके
है।
बाल भी तभी सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं जब आप उनको धोने वाले होते हैं। उस वक्त देखिए उफ ये क्या ग्लैमरस ब्लो आउट है, but then you have to wash it.
Anand, you tell me, when you are, of course, making a season 2, to have new characters, of course, you know that Shreya and Ritvik have their own fandom. But when you are introducing new characters, does that become a pressure for you? And just maybe creating a season 2 for a successful show? Tell me what goes in
It's
your
not
mind.
pressure. There is no pressure at all. There is, in fact, a lot of joy in knowing that people want you to do that.
Okay.
The fact that season 1 gets so much love, and as soon as it dropped, everybody was asking us about season 2. So that kind of reassurance empowers us.
Yeah.
So when you are dealing with newer characters, it suddenly puts in a new, fresh, flow of energy. Each character brings in their own reasons for existence, and then you cast great actors, so they find more reasons of existence. And as I really hope you guys start watching it on 13th of December,
Yes.
and then are done by the 14th of December with all the episodes, so we can talk more in detail
Yes.
without giving spoilers. But each one has their own musical journey to be fulfilled. They are not necessarily servicing the so-called protagonists. For me, it's an ensemble piece. For me, every arc, whether it is Nandini's arc or Soumya's arc or Ayan's arc, is as important as Radhe and Tamanna and Moini and everybody else's arc. For me, they are all very important musicians who need to find their resolutions or remain unresolved.
Yeah.
For me, each one of them are as important, and I'm so glad that everybody took that in the same spirit. Nobody was trying to shine more than the others. Everybody was shining enough so that the entire series shines.
Yeah, and the way, of course, because you came from cinema to OTT. Tell me, right now we are seeing there's a plateau. Of course, during COVID, OTT was it was newsmaker. It was everyone was talking about it. Do you feel it has plateaued with the kind of offers that maybe is coming to you?
No, I think it got better.
Oh wow.
It plateaued in a way that in between I think that would फिल्मों वाली जो चीज़ थी वो यहाँ आ गई थी थोड़ी सी कि let's have a star face. It just came in between for a bit, but I think ultimately people are loving watching stories, the storytelling, good writing, and it has proven time and again कि आप अच्छी लिखाई दे दें, अच्छी acting दे दें, अच्छा direction दे दें, people are really hungry to watch all that, and I feel this is a very democratic medium where you choose yourself what you want. You want to see a new face, you want to see a new story being told, or you want to see something else. It's your decision, and सब एक ही level पर है. So I think it's great, and there's so many more layered characters being made, layered stories being told. Earlier, no one wanted to experiment. अब जाके सब एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर लेते हैं, सेफ नहीं प्ले करना चाह रहा कोई किरदारों को लेकर, लिखाई को लेकर, and audience is loving it. And आप एक बार देखते हो कोई promo and you say this is what I want to see, and there is something in that you know that okay, this has pulled me to you. So that is storytelling and only storytelling.
Amazing. And both of you, when there's an offer that comes to you, what is that first thing that you look at it? Is it the team? Is it the character or the co-actors? Like how do you figure out which projects are you going to pick?
It really depends on how much information you're getting in the first place, because we're not necessarily in the position where we get all the information, and so then you just have to pick from that. So sometimes you know who the filmmaker is, sometimes they'll say that we can't reveal right now, but the story is this, and they'll explain who the character is, and then they say actually we can't reveal about the character, but like it really grows, and then you just have to take an instinctive decision. But then there's also other elements like how long have you been sitting at home for, and how many bills have piled up, and are you going to have to make a decision based on that, or do you get to decide for your art and your craft?
Absolutely.
So there's a lot of that, but specifically for me, what has genuinely always worked is I just feel it inside that I must be a part of this. There's something about the story or the character that just finds its relatability in my life. It feels like it reflects something that I'm going through at the same time, and it feels like it's meant to be, and doesn't matter big or small. Like I would love to be associated.
Rohan, you want to add something?
I think ऐसे बहुत बार होता है where you get an audition, it's just undisclosed. Production house, director, actor, जो भी है. तो उन situations में you can't really do much, but I will say if, like I said, if you're constantly doing something every day where you're exploring the craft and reading maybe scripts in your own free time or reading about the craft or do anything, I think you will slowly understand which scripts have actually good writing and which ones are spoon feeding, which ones are making you discover the character and give you that path to actually go and be an almost like an investigation officer and
Yeah.
actually go and figure out who this person is. And I think you feel that even in one scene. And with this one especially, I felt learning an instrument was a big one for me because हमेशा एक ऐसा सपना रहा है कि I want to play an athlete or a musician and fully go into those worlds if I ever got those roles. And I took it upon myself and I learned the piano for this role. And I'm quite proud of it because I can say that almost every shot in the show is me playing. Not almost, every shot is.
Wow.
So I'm quite happy with that.
Yeah. And we have a fun game for you. It's called Music Charades.
Oh.
So there are genres written in it. You have to enact and help your...
Enact or you can make sounds.
you can make sounds also. That's
Okay.
fine with me. Pick one, Anand.
So
Start.
I have to do.
You have to enact it and let the
So
other...
the genre is
Oh,
Bachchan.
Govinda.
Govinda.
Bollywood.
Very
Sorry.
good.
I just
Govinda is the genre.
Govinda is Bollywood. Bollywood is
Govinda
genre.
is the way of life.
Yes.
हो गया
हो गया इतना easy था
You and I almost.
Acha.
You have to take another one, both of us saw.
नहीं चल.
I saw.
Its marker is just a little
No,
too
no,
visible.
now we
Yeah,
won't. Now we
actually,
won't.
because-
No. I'm very competitive.
closing my eyes also.
Ready. Oh, fear, panic. Panic at the disco. Oh, classical. Hindustani classical. Oh,
भजन
Ka-
कथक नहीं बांसुरी
Kathak.
folk
Folk.
Indian folk Hindustani folk folk singing folk songs
Very good.
Song.
वेल डन यार
सब गिरा पिरा के
एकदम हम जीत गए
ऐसी गिरी हुई
this one,
परफॉर्मेंस
for mine, all I have to do
is
is show something to Yashaswini
Okay.
that she will know.
oh wow so
She will know.
Okay.
This is the genre, no?
Okay.
Sorry, I don't
No,
need you
go
both
for it.
won't know.
What if I don't know
I
now?
wouldn't
Oh, okay.
Easy,
Bob. Okay, Bob.
yeah
Game over.
yeah
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Sorry, I have to. That's.
oh Gangnam Style so
No.
oh no Waka Waka ये African
This can be a little bit like inappropriate, but like.
oh tribal music
ah,
yeah fair
No?
Yeah.
No, that's what I didn't do. I just went like.
Punjabi.
एक
One more.
no mix it up actually double fold it if you can for everybody because then otherwise you'll see the marker thing from the other side
Yeah. Bad choice to use that one.
not oh
You go.
I'll go first
Yeah.
okay I think it's quite easy
Jazz.
no bad
It's the
a good
face also.
it's a good acting
Yeah,
It's
you
a
got
face.
passion.
I could hear
Lord.
it.
ये आप मेरी तरफ से कर
अरे ऐसे कैसे?
नहीं लाइफ मैं
आप guess
आपको
मत
बारह पचानी दे रही हूँ
मुझे वही कर लेता हूँ
थोड़ा
Rock.
rock.
Heavy metal.
Oh, very
That's
good.
easy.
This team is like
Rohan.
Okay.
Opera.
अरे वाह
Oh.
rock
Rock and roll.
But yeah.
rock and roll
Rock and roll.
Yeah. Yay!
Lastly, because we also had to test your singing capabilities, we want you to sing one line, a soundtrack that you feel describes your life.
खामखा
So sing.
Sing
Sing a line.
मेरे नाइट
मकान
बिल्कुल खामखा है जिसके मकान से खामखा बह रहे तूफान थे रात दो तरफा चलती रही रात भर आग से आँच मिलती रही रात भर
फिर मैं मेरा वाला शुरू कर दूंगी otherwise.
Very all of you have the same.
Yes, copy paste. उसके अलावा
Yashaswini has actually sung
Yeah,
the
correct,
song
correct.
itself.
Yeah, you have to sing one line at least. Yes, please one line.
Oh yeah, the correct. मन के धागे हैं हर पे बांधे हैं है कागजी दिल आज भी रूठे हो खुद से खाम खा ऐसे है क्या कमी है क्या कमी है इंसान तो है गलतियाँ तो फिर क्यों ये नाराज़ियाँ उल्फत में है छुपी तेरी बेबाकियाँ
Riva, you don't want to sing, right?
नहीं बाबा
Oh no,
वो
why
मेरी
did you
टीम नहीं होगी क्योंकि वो आसान होगा तो एक मिलेगा ना तो जाने देते हैं
But thank you so much.